this has been happening for a very long time. After kidnapping, they will demand ransom from the people of that victim that they kidnap. After the payment, after when they have made the payment, they will now kill the person, remove the organs that they need. Nínú ara ẹnìyẹn tó bá wá yọ organs yẹn tán, they will now go and bury the person. This is the reason táwọn youth yẹn tán fi lọ burn down police station yẹn. Agenebode police station of Etsako East, its local government near Edo State. That's what prompted the action, because they have been complaining for a very long time. They are reporting that okay, Fulani people are kidnapping us. They are killing our people, and sometimes they will demand for ransom, and then after collecting the ransom, they will still not release the person in their captivity. So this police now, they were now acting like okay, they did not hear. They never pay attention to their complaint. Not until that one guys they were trace phone number and they discover okay, oh, this is their then they now went there, killed the leader. They now dug the grave because someone told them that okay, he noticed something is happening, that there's a particular place to get pé ọmọ rí àwọn èèyàn náà tó ń bury àwọn èèyàn. Ìgbà tó wọ́n wú ilẹ̀ yẹn, wọ́n wá discover oríṣiríṣi àwọn egungun, àwọn skull, àwọn part of human body. So ìyẹn ló fà tó fi bínú padà sí police station yẹn. Tó fi lọ sun mọ́tò àwọn ọlọ́pàá yẹn. They burned down their vehicle, they burned down the police station, and many people were injured. Because èyí tó ṣẹlẹ̀ last ni pé ó ní young guy kan táwọn Fulani ẹ̀ tó kidnap, then they now demanded for ransom. All they try our family on some ransom here. Then after the payment, they did not release the guy. They now kill the guy, remove the organ, they now bury him. So our ọlọ́pàá they never made any official report concerning that. So that was like that guys and we go okay, let's just conclude that you guys are working together now. Because for someone to be committing this kind of atrocity, at the report to fún yín aṣàlàyé fún yín pé nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú ìlú ni ṣe ìgbésẹ̀ kankan lórí ẹ̀. It simply means you are aware and maybe you are getting something in return from the hoodlums. So this is the main reason to burn down police station here. And again, another thing to jọmọ ni pé ní Nàìjíríà tó bá jẹ́ bóyá ọmọ olówó, like you are well known, or you are a celebrity, or bí àwọn family ẹ̀ lówó wọn wà okay, or jẹ́ ọmọ ẹni tó wá láti ibì kan tán lórúkọ, you cannot just go to the Aso Rock. Is it possible for you to just go to the Aso Rock like okay, I want to see the president? Please subscribe to Accord TV, please, so that Mama get the information bóyá ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́tùn. Olóyè Sunday Adeniyi ọmọ Adéyẹmọ tí gbogbo ayé ń pè ní Ìgbòho owó Babadami, he went to go and see the Prime Minister of UK. So he entered the office and submits a petition tó ní ṣe pẹ̀lú Yoruba Nation agitation. Please stay tuned because I want to show you a particular clip. I want to show you a video to back up this thing that I'm telling you. So he now went there, he submitted the paper successfully, then they started jubilating. So people now saying, so it is so possible for someone to just go and see the Prime Minister in the UK, which this can never happen in Nigeria. Níbo ló ti wá, níbo ló ti ń bọ̀ tó fẹ́ lọ sọ pé ó fẹ́ lọ rí president. These are the things. These are the things. Tí gbogbo ara nǹkan táwọn èèyàn ń wò nìyẹn tó fi sọ pé is it not even better for us to just split? So ẹ jọ nítorí Ọlọ́run. And another thing tó tún wá ṣẹlẹ̀ ni pé Sunday Chief Sunday Igboho wá sọ pé okay o, by the special grace of God, tí mo bá parí bíbá yìí o, tí mo bá parí nǹkan tí mò ń ṣe tán, because I can see they are jubilating, celebrating, people are dancing, they were so happy that okay o, like to some percentage wọ́n ti ń achieve Yoruba nation lọ. In ourselves tí n bá ṣe tán bíbá yìí o, mo ń bọ̀ wá sí ìlú mi, kò dẹ̀ sí nǹkan kan tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀, mo ń bọ̀ wá sí ìlú bàbá mi. Kí lẹ̀yin rí sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn? Ṣẹ́yìn rò pé kò ní sí problem pé tí Sunday Igboho bá padà dé sí Nàìjíríà? Because we believe tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá allow me kí n carry out àwọn activities tí mo fẹ́ carry out ní Nàìjíríà láti lè express feelings mi àti projection mi àtòrí nǹkan tí mo dúró lé, then I will now go out of Nigeria to go and be doing my firing. So ẹnìkan wá sọ pé ó léwu o, ó máa tọ́ fún nǹkan tó bá padà dé sí Nàìjíríà. What do you think about that? Is it supposed to be? Ẹ ṣe gan tẹ́ ń tẹ́tí sí Àkọ́ TV àti màmá mú wá fún yín bó ṣe ń lọ. Thank you very much.